Yogis! Are you ready to do fun yoga with Boss Baby? Can you stretch, balance, and play like him? Let's find out. Let's go! Stand tall like a strong mountain. Feet together, arms by your side. Grow taller, taller. Like you're touching the sky. Stay super still. Can the wind move your mountain? Nope. Let's become a tree. Lift one foot and place it on your leg. Hands up high like branches. Now sway slowly. Don't fall, little tree. Time to rest like a sleepy teddy bear. Fold down, stretch your arms forward, take a deep breath in and out. Shh, quiet time. Slither like a snake, lift your chest up, look up, hiss, say hello like a friendly cobra. Sit like a shiny diamond back straight, hands on knees, stay calm and still, sparkle like a gem. Sit like a peaceful lotus flower, cross your legs, hands on knees, close your eyes, breathe slowly. Feel calm and happy. Let's make a bridge. Lift your hips up high. Can a tiny car go under your bridge? Vroom, vroom. Hug your knees tight. Rock side to side. Let the wind go whoosh. Be a sneaky cat. Round your back up high. Say meow. Stretch like a happy kitty. Now be a gentle cow. Drop your tummy down. Look up. Say moo moo. Slow and calm. Woof woof. Lift your hips up. Make an upside down V. Stretch like a happy puppy. Bend down slowly. Touch your toes. Let your head hang. Relax. Can you tickle your toes? Sit like a little frog, feet down, balance low. Ribbit, ribbit, jumpy frog energy. Be a tall camel, push your chest up, look back, walking in the desert, step by step. Let's fly like butterflies. Bring your feet together, flap your wings, a fly high, soft and happy.